Hi friends, this is Sarvijay here. Welcome to my networking channel. Hope all are doing good. Today let us discuss and debug the redistribution issues. So this is architecture where I connected R1, R2 and R3. R1 I configured as an EAGRP and R3 I configured OSPF routing protocol. So R2 is a border router which does the redistribution, right? So it's used to redistribute one routing protocol into another routing protocol. So this is a border router. So now let us go to individual router and let us see the issues. So due to some reason what happened, the EEGRP routes are not appearing in the OSPF routing table. It is not redistributed into the OSPF routing table. Let's debug. So let us go to the individual router and let us check the configuration first. Let us check the protocol. Show IP protocols. So R1 I configured EEGRP and let us see R3. So R3 I have configured the protocol OSPF, right? So R2 is a border router, so we will configure both the protocols, OSPF and EAGRP. Show IP protocols, EAGRP, and also we are seeing OSPF routing protocol. So now let us check the routing table. Show IP route. It will show the routing entries. So let us see. So we are able to see the directly connected interfaces and also we are see the EAGRP routing. That in EAGRP you also see the OSPF routing entries. It will show us DEX. That means external OSPF routes, which is 3.3.3 nothing but the loopback address I have defined here. So we are able to see the OSPF routes into the EAGRP routing table and also we are able to see the EAGRP routes. But we are not seeing the EAGRP routes into the OSPF routing table. Let us go to OSPF and let us do a show IP route. So you can see the loopback address defined and we are able to see the directly connected interfaces but we are seeing only the OSPF routes, that is 192.168.1.0, but we are not seeing this specific network, that is 1.1.1. This network also should be advertised into the OSPF routing table. So that's the reason I mentioned EAGRP routes not redistributed into the OSPF routing protocol. So we need to debug the issue. So what we can do, let us from R1 let us ping each and every interface and let us check. From R1 ping the loopback address. So I'm able to ping and also let us check the directly connected interfaces and the remote interface. 192.168.1.1, 1.2 is pinging, 2.1 is pinging and 2.2 is pinging. So this is fine because perfectly fine because we are able to see all the routing entries including both the EAGRP and also we are seeing the OSPF external routes. So only thing we need to debug from R3. Let us see. R3 let us check the interfaces. 1.1, R1, 2.1 and 2.2. So we are able to reach all these interfaces. Let us check now 1.1.1. So 1.1.1 I am seeing the request packet timeout, right? So that means this route not redistributed into the OSPF routing table. So that might be access list might be blocking this routes from redistributing into the OSPF routing protocol. So let us go to R2 and let us now check the access list. Show IP access list. So there is a access list that is denying the interface, right? So now we need to go and fix the access list issue. So what we can do, just remove it, we can remove it. Before that, I'm going to show the configuration what I have done. So go to show run. So this R2 is a border router. So I have done two routing protocol, right? Because as it is a border router, we have to configure both EGRP and OSPF, and then we have to redistribute the external routing protocol. So router EGRP 100, I have done redistribute OSPF 100, then followed by the metric. So this is the EGRP metric you have to configure, and then I have defined the networks, the no auto summary. Similarly, router OSPF 100, redistribute EGRP 100, subnets is a keyword we need to use, then only to redistribute all the networks. Then followed by route map 1. So for this route map, I have created the route map 1 deny. So that is the reason it's denying all. So we need to remove this and let us check it out. So let us go to configuration mode. No route map 1, and also let us remove the access list. So we need to remove this access list. So let us remove the access list 20. And now let us check whether the routes are redistributing into the OSPF routing protocol. Let us see. Show IP route. So still we are not seeing the 1.1.1 prefix. So what we can do, we can just remove the redistribute map. Let us check it out. So go to the configuration mode and router Let us remove this actually. Go to copy and router OSPF 100. I remove this and let us redistribute again because I'm removing the route map because that route map is denying, right? I have also configured the access list and that can access list. I have mapped to this route map which is denying the corresponding network 1.1.1. So I have removed the entire statement. Now let us do only this statement till subnets. So redistribute EAGRP 100 subnets. So if I'm removing the subnets, it not advertise. So I have to include the keyword subnets. So now let us see here. Yeah, now we are able to see the one dot prefix, right? So that means now the routes are EJP routes are appearing in the OSPF routing table as the external route. So you can see as OE2. So OE2 is nothing but the EAGRP routes as an external route. When it is redistributed into the OSPF, it will show as the OE2. That means external route to the OSPF, right? Similarly, let us go to R1. So R1 will show as DEX. That means external route of EAGRP. External route of OSPF it will show in EAGRP as DEX. In case of OSPF, EAGRP route will appear as a OE2, right? So now we are able to reach the network. Let us now ping the interface. Ping 1.1.1. So now I'm able to reach all the interfaces and let us check the routing table. Show IP route. So it is showing all the connected and the destination networks. So we are able to see both the networks in both OSPF and EAGRP routing table. So this is how we have to debug and fix the redistribution issues. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thanks and have a wonderful day.